Hello, welcome you again in the e-learning platform of BSIT Kolhapur. My dear students, we have already near about the completion of unit number 2, but our practical demonstration is lagging behind, and now we are going to implement two remaining commands, that is the DML commands, update and delete. Already you have created table, you have inserted constraint in the table, also you have demonstrated on delete cascade operation. Now remaining two, update and delete commands in the DML. Okay, for that purpose we are going to demonstrate this using a table. So you can open your live SQL, log into it, and in the worksheet you can create first one table. So I have prepared already some examples, so I am creating a table name EMP5. Okay, so EMP5 is a table in which employee name numeric, or you can have a number, okay, not null, ename varchar 10, job varchar 9, emg numeric or hire date, sal. Okay, so you can create a table of EMP. Okay, so there are so many columns, so I have taken one another table for your demonstration, and you can easily understand the concept of update and delete. So create table EMP5 where EMP.NO is number of 4 digit which is not null, that is not null constraint. Then ename varchar 10, maximum 10 character, sal, that is salary, it is number, 7 comma t, 7 comma 2 means 7 numbers, after that there must be 2 decimals. Okay, so decimal points are allowed. Then DEPT number, which may be a 2 digit. So we are creating this table first. Okay, so we can create this table. So EMP5 table, so table is created. Okay, so I have selected this row and click on the run. So many students call me about table is not created. Do not select only 1-2 statements, you must select overall statement of create table up to semicolon, and then you can run. Okay, so table is now created. I want to insert some records, so I am inserting 5 records in the table. Okay, so I have taken this using insert table, so I can copy this in the live SQL. Already I have typed this command. Okay, if I am typing live, it requires some time, and unwantedly the length of video goes increasing. So insert into EMP5 values. Okay, 1001, that is a EMP number. Mangesh, its salary is 7,000, department is 10. Next is Julie, so it's numbers, salary and departments. So we have inserting 5 records in the EMP table. So 5 rows are inserted. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows are inserted. So rows are inserted. How to check these rows are properly inserted or not? For that purpose we have select star. Star means all the columns in that table. Select star from is keyword, table name EMP5. Okay, and then semicolon. So select statement we have already studied in the 2.9. select. Okay, select star, it will select all the columns in that table, it will display the records. Okay, so this is your output. Okay, you can increase the size. Okay, so this is your records. 5 rows are created. So this is table like this: EMP number, EMP name, sal, DEPT. Okay, Mangesh. Okay, employee number 1001 Mangesh, 7,000 salary, department number 10, Julie 1125, 12,000 salary, department number 20, Sucheta, okay, Apurva and Rakesh. So these 5 rows are created. Okay, so I have already given you a PDF of this manual. So that is the old manual of G-Scheme, which is very well designed as compared to I-Scheme. So you can use the reference, or you can solve the problems from that manual which I have given you for the practice. So we have inserted 5 rows. Now I want to alter this table. Okay, so I want to alter this table and I want to create ename. Ename is a column. Already here is the one column, ename. So ename varchar 10, I am modifying the ename to not null, means there must be a name in the ename column. So we cannot empty that column. So I am altering that table. So alter table command, table name emp5, modify keyword ename to not null. Okay, so your column is altered now. The table is altered, means you must insert a name. Okay, so that is the alter table command demonstration. Then if you want to create EMP number as a primary key, then you must modify the table using alter table command, and alter table emp5 modify EMP number primary key. It is not null, but it is not unique. So primary key is nothing but the column must be a not null as well as unique. So we can alter that column also. So table is altered successfully. So now your EMP number is the primary key. Okay, we can check this. Okay, so if I run this, okay, I am copying the insert statement once again. So already 101 Mahesh and his record is already inserted. Okay, now 101 is a primary key. We cannot insert a same value for the EMP.NO. Okay, it might violate your primary key constraint. So we can check it when we run this. So it is unique constraint. Already 101 is available, so we cannot have. If we modify this, so I can change it to the 8. So now this same record can be inserted because 1008 Mahesh. So Mahesh salary and department can be duplicated, but primary key is on EMP.NO. If you run this, so that will insert a row. Okay, if we check the result, select star from EMP5, then now it has a 6 rows. Okay, so that is the last row. 1008 Mahesh, it's same salary, same department. Okay, so that is demonstration of your primary key constraint. Okay, now my aim is to insert another record in that table. Okay, so this is new record. I want to insert, that is a row number 7. I want to insert. I am inserting EMP number 1315 Umesh, salary 750 and department 20. If I will insert a null value in the place of EMP name, then because it is a not null, no? Not null, then it must throw the error. Okay, so missing expression, or there must be a null value. Okay, so I'm inserting 7th record, that is a 1314. I will change that 1314 for easily remembering. 1314 Umesh, and salary 750 and department 20. So 7th row is inserted. How to check? So for checking, select star from EMP5. when you run it, so it will be give a display. Okay, so that will be your 7th row table. Okay, so last 1314 Umesh 7500 and 20. Okay, so I want to now demonstrate the implementation of update. If you want to change a name of specific candidate, okay, then you can easily change it, okay, or you can easily modify it. Okay, so I am updating a salary of 1314. Okay, previously it has a 750. I want to update that salary to 18,000. So how to update that? So that is a demonstration of update command. Okay, so that is a update command demonstration. Okay, so what is the syntax of update? So update, table name EMP5, set, it is a very important keyword, set column name salary is equal to 18,000, where EMP number is 1314. So EMP number 1314 is of Umesh, previous salary 750. Okay, now 500. So now it will be 18,000. Okay, if we run this, so one row is updated. If you want to check the result, then I can copy the command of select star from EMP5, select this row and run. Okay, you can easily see that 1315 Umesh, now salary is 18,000. Okay, so using update you can easily modify the any column value depending upon your where condition. Okay, so I am taking another example. If I want to update a name, okay, name of Umesh to Ramesh. Okay, so if I want to change the name of Umesh to Ramesh, then what is the column name of name? So that is nothing but e name. Okay, e name is equal to, in single inverted, Ramesh. So we are updating e name to Ramesh, where EMP.NO is 1314. If we run this, so one row is updated. So to check this result, we can easily check, or I have another statement. If I want to view only that row of 1314, then select star from EMP5. So where is the condition? Where EMP.NO equal to 1314. So it will display only that row, so not all the rows. So it will display the all rows which having the employee number EMP.NO 1314. That is only one row, so it can be display the result. So where condition is not satisfied here, so I can display the name. So select e name. I want to display the e name from the record where EMP.NO is 1314. Okay, 1314 is ename. Okay, so select is not running here, so I have a same statement to check whether the name is updated or not. So I will display all the table rows using select star from EMP. So now Umesh name is changed to Ramesh. Okay, so that is the update command. Okay, so in next video lecture or as per our need, we can demonstrate the select with the only proper column names. It is not supported here. Okay, previously I have tried to demonstrate only one column, but it is not supported here. So in next time we are going to Oracle 10G, which is installed on my laptop, so we can demonstrate this command which is not valid here on that. So there is no bother about this. We can select all the rows and we can check the effect. So name is changed from Umesh to Ramesh. Okay, now I want to demonstrate to delete a specific row. Okay, if I want to delete a specific row from that record, then command is delete. Yes, it is a delete. To delete a specific row, delete from EMP5 where EMP number is 1314. So I am deleting a last row in that table. Okay, yes. So one row is deleted. If you want to see the result, then already we have 7 rows. Now it will be only 6 because last row EMP.NO 1314 is deleted. Okay, so now it has only 6 rows and there is no record of 1314. So that is simple demonstration of update and delete. So when you are updating, you must have a update EMP number set column name is equal to, you must have a assigning value. So we can change multiple columns at a time. Okay, suppose if I want to change a name EMP.NO of 1001 of Umesh to Ramesh, also comma, I want to change its salary. Sal is equal to, previously it has a 7000, now it is a 5000 of EMP 1001 because I have deleted the last row. So I am updating a first row of your column, first row of your record, and I am updating ename also salary. So it will update that row. Okay, so if you want to check this, so run this select star from EMP5. The first record is updated, so it is 1001 Ramesh, now salary 7500 and department is 1. So you can update the columns, all the columns or single column using update. Okay, separated by comma, and you must have where you must have a unique key constraint to find out the appropriate row which you want to update. Also a delete from EMP5 where you must have a primary key or any column which will identify that record, so you can delete. So I can delete any record from here. Okay, suppose I want to delete records of department 10. So if I want to delete all the records from department 10, then I want to change only DEPT NO, and here it will be 10. Okay, so it will delete all the records of department 10. So 3 rows are deleted. Yes, 10, 1, 2. Okay, so and next record I have inserted, that is a new record of 10. So 3 rows are deleted. If you want to check now a table, so there will be no entry of department number 10. Okay, yes, it will only entries of department number 20 and 30, barabar, because all rows of department number 10 is deleted. So my dear student, I want this table, so I am recreating that rows. Okay, so row is created for department number 10, so it is created. Also Mangesh I am inserting. Okay, so also Umesh. So now your table is as it is because I have inserted the deleted and updated rows. So now it is previously 7 row record. So my dear students, it is very simple experiment. You can create a table, you can update and you can delete a rows. Okay, so go through the given experiment or given documents in the Moodle. You can implement this all the queries on the SQL Live. So after the specific video, I am uploading the snapshot of old G schemes manual, and there are so many questions, there are so many problems in that PDF. You can solve and create your script. So you can save this script, okay, using the session name. Okay, save that script. Okay, so it is a experiment number 4, exp4. so you must have description exp4 and you can save this session. So all the session information is saved. Okay, so from the starting it will be saved. Copy this, paste it on the your document and create a PDF and send to me. Okay, so that is your submission. So my dear students, already near about 5 to 6 experiments are covered. So you must practice the SQL. Practice will clear the concept. SQL is programming language and RDBMS concepts are more clear. Rather than theoretical reading, it must implement it. You must implement it, then and then you can get the idea of every individual commands. So I will taking the simple problems and I will demonstrating this experiment. So in the next video lecture we are going to implement operators, SQL operators. Okay, so one experiment of DCL commands, that is creating a user, granting the access, grant, revoke, save point, will be demonstrated in the next unit, that is unit number 3, which is also about the SQL and advanced SQL. In that unit we have that experiment, so does not bother about that DCL commands. It is very easy commands. Okay, so there is no any extra confusion or extra knowledge required to run that command. So you must create a user and you must assign the permissions and revoke that permissions. Okay, after the transaction concept is over, we can demonstrate that in the unit number 3. So up till now we have covered 4 experiments. So you must implement this all the queries. So I will provide you this document for your help. So do not copy and paste it. So you must type this. I want to demonstrate in minimum time, so I am copying and pasting. You must have idea, you must change the names, you must change the table name, you must modify the salaries, you must delete a record, you must add a record. More practice will clear the concept. Okay, so that is your experiment number 4. Next time we will be starting experiment number 5, and in that experiment we are demonstrating a different SQL operator. Okay, so stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy, happy learning.